有请中国工程院院士、中国互联网协会理事长邬贺铨主持世界互联网领先科技成果发布活动。
China, Mr. Wu, to attend this meeting.
Welcome. 尊敬的各位嘉宾、女士们、先生们、朋友们，
Distinguished guests,
下午好。
ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, good afternoon.
今天我们又再一次相聚在秀美的乌镇，交流
Today,
世界互联网
we have gathered together in the beautiful Wuzhen to
感受到
exchange views on the science and technological achievements in the world.
今天世界互
Here
联
we
网
will witness the collation from the past and the future.
发布活动。在大会现场
And it is the third release ceremony for world-leading internet scientific and technological achievements.
将要发布这些成果，
And today we will be releasing a series of world-leading science-tech achievements.
也
These are the efforts from the science-tech leaders as the people who are working in this industry.
组委会成立了世界互联网领先科技
Earlier,
成果
we have founded the Working Committee for the World Internet Science-Tech
互
Achievements.
联网业界专家组成
There were 47 representatives
领先科技
are
成果
working
推荐
in
委员
this
会
committee.
秘书处向全球互联网企业
And this year, the Working Committee
以及个
from
人
World Internet Science-Tech Achievements
征集全球
has sent out invitations to representatives in the cyberspace industry and collect achievements for this
基础理论研究
ceremony.
成果前沿技术先进产品
With
创新的商
carefully
业模式
evaluation of all kinds of scientific and technological achievements,
收到了来自中国、美国、英国、
we
法
have
国、
received
德国、瑞典
science-tech achievements from many countries, including China, Germany, Canada, Ireland, Finland,
经过世界互联网大会
and other
领
countries.
先科技成果推荐委员会的委员投票，
With the recommendation and voting from the Working Committee with the World Internet Science-Tech Achievements,
女士们、先生
we
们
will be releasing the top 15 scientific and technology achievements today.
科技创新改
Ladies and gentlemen, Internet has changed our world.
在这里
Scientific and technological innovation has changed Internet as well.
领略互联网的
Today,
魅力
we will gather here all together to witness the charm of Internet and explore the future for mankind.
第一位发布人上台。
First, let's invite the first guest to release his product.
马化腾先生登台发布。
Let's give the warm applause to Pony Ma to give the release.
尊敬的各位领导、女士们、先生们，大家下午好。
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
参加世界互联网大会，
Today, I'm very honored to attend World Internet Conference in Wuzhen. I would like to extend my gratitude for the Working Committee. Here, I would like to share some of the information for the mini program of WeChat. In the past 2 decades,
连接了亿万的
we are working together to promote better connectivity. In the past, we have created connectivity among humans,
人和各个
and also we are working to connect people with service. In the future, we will connect people with multiple industries and services in China. And this morning, we have talked about the
我们也在寻求
Internet for consumption and the Internet for service. With the age of the information is coming, we have developed many programs for this connectivity. We don't have to download these many programs. It is quite innovative.
开发环境。
With 2 years of development,
大家知道我过去是
we have created a new ecosystem to develop many programs.
八版也好，整个
I used to be a programmer.
国外的
I learned
最好的一个。
C language and also Java.
如果大家
And all of this information I could learn from abroad. But today, when you are visiting some of the e-commerce companies, when you search for many programs, you will see a lot of products that relate to the many programs.
最近在教育部的指导下，小程序
To be
还会
honest,
选入部分
I
高效
envy all the young generations.
这让我们备受鼓舞。
And some of the mini programs are actually selected and becoming the curriculum for university education.
激动也很自豪，这也是这么多年来
By using the mini programs, we see some junior programmers.
创新成。
We should be proud of this.
现在已经有超过150万的
This is
开
an
发者
achievement that we have made for the past 2 decades.
共同发力推动小程序生态
Now we have over 1.5 million developers to further improve the mini programs.
已覆盖200多个细分的行业，
With our efforts,
达到2个亿。
we have covered over 200 segmentations, so the number of active users is around 200 million people. So you can also use this kind of mini programs in the commute.
小程序的发展也带来了
And we also apply some of these mini programs in government services.
100
Many programs also bring in job opportunities.
长期来说，我们还希望
In the past year, 2017, we have created 1.04 million jobs because of many programs. We want to continue to work with our partners to create a more transparent and more robust business environment.
现在
In the past, we have to think about the toolkit and the cost of the developing environment.
受限的开发环境，为跨
But now the development process has become more
方案
convenient and streamlined.
如果未来能够实
And we have provided more solutions for the developers to further advance the many programs.
希望促进芯片设计行业的迭代升级，帮助芯片
With huge amount of population who are using the mini programs, in the future we will also transfer our efforts into the area of developing chips.
商一起受益，为全
In the end, we want to break through the bottlenecks and work with different vendors and make our contribution for the development of scientific and technological industry. Let's all work together. Thank you.
让我们有请严立大先生登台发布。
Let's welcome our second guest,
严立大。
Mr. Yan.
尊敬的各位来宾，大家好！非常感谢世界互联网大会提供的舞台，
Distinguished guest, good
让华为
afternoon.
升腾310芯片在此发布。
Thank you for
也非常
inviting
感
me
谢
here
专家
for
们
the
和产业
release.
界对华为
And
的
today I
认
have
可
the
与
chance
支
to
持。
release the Ascent
自从
310 from
1956
Huawei. Thank you
达
for
摩
your
斯会议
recognition
第一次
and
提出
support
了人
for
工智能
Huawei
的概念
technology.
60年来，
As we have heard the concept of AI in 1956, we have gone through about 60 years of development of AI. There are many types of computing methods which are considered as the foundation of artificial intelligence. And we also see some challenges posed by AI. But we have continued our effort to explore new opportunities. For example, with advanced technologies, we have seen a lot of cornerstones that has been built for the AI. And we're also seeing a new round of opportunities to develop artificial intelligence. AI is the general achievement that was brought by the last 6 decades. We would like to thank our ancestors for this endeavor. And today, on behalf of Huawei, I would like to release Huawei's Ascent 310 chip. We have to pay more attention for the training of our talents and also investment for the technology in Huawei. Each year, we invested 10% to 15% of general revenue for research and development. And this year, we will invest around 10 million RMB for the research and development in Huawei. So this year, we would like to provide a more stronger computing capability for Huawei. We would like AI to be more inclusive in the society. And this is what we are releasing today, the Ascent 310. This chip has a very supercomputing capability. And there are many scenarios that we can use chip 310. Each type of the scenario will have a higher standard for the computing capability. And for 310, it supports the 16T computing capabilities. And also, it can identify 200 objects within seconds. No matter where you are, which scenario you are in, Ascent 310 will provide a very high efficient computing power. Last week, we also worked with Audi to provide a supercomputing system. And this 310 chip only consumes around 200 watt power. And also, we have an expanding capability and structure for 310 chip. We are using the Da Vinci computing models. It covers a wide range of scenarios. This is rarely seen in the market. The advantages for Da Vinci computing models is to provide optimized solutions for different scenarios. Huawei is not just limited in AI. We are also focusing on supercomputing as well as cloud computing. We would like to promote the digitalization as well as the partnership with different sectors.
We would let AI, does a job that only can be done by the high-level talents. What we want to do is to develop 1 million AI developers. Talk about 310 chips. I believe this is the first step. We open wider of the AI world. I would believe we will bring to a world that will be connectivity among all things.
贤栋先生登台发布。
Please welcome Mr. Eric Jin.
尊敬的各位领导、女士们、先生们，大家下午好！非常荣幸，蚂蚁金服自主
Distinguished
研
guests,
发的
ladies and gentlemen, good
金融及
afternoon.
区块链应
It's
用
my
平台
great honor
入选
to
2018
represent
世界互联网领先科技
the
成果。
Ant
感谢
Financial,
各位评委
and
老
it's our
师。
honor that our
的认可。
financial grade commercial blockchain
14年来，
platform is also on the list of the award winners. Thank you for all your recognition. Start from the Alipay to the mobile payment to all our products, where we believe we use technology and innovation to solve the issues that are facing by the consumers and the SMEs in order to better serve the real economy. We would like to describe ourselves as the technology for good. What we want to do is we want to make finance more transparent, simplified, trustable, and inclusive, and use the advantage of technology to bring good to our consumers and also the small and medium enterprises. We build up on a good system to the Alipay to today's blockchain. We believe the trust mechanism is the core. So the blockchain brings the value actually that's to reshape the mechanism of trust. It's not just simply from point A to point B. Actually, it's integrate all the value and industrial chain. This will actually have a profound changes to the industries. In the past decade, at financial, especially in blockchain, will focus on two things. Number one, we built a self-controlled and managed system in blockchain system. What we don't want to do is we don't want to anything that's not own the patent. And we used a lot of technologies to provide service to real economy. Talking about groundbreaking technologies we made, we had a smart contract, the personal information protection. All these should give the credit to our talents. We attracted a lot of high-quality talents to come into us, and we also work with the top universities for collaboration. This June, our BUS platform officially put in service and also open to the public. It can support the developers to develop and deploy more applications on this platform. So we can bring the live work all to this platform, and then we can work together to make this more dynamic and create real value. Same this year, June, Alipay will also break the channel to the WAS. So this is very convenient and very fast, and this is a warm welcome by the market. And we actually received the invitation by many foreign countries. They would like to bring the Alipay model to the other countries. So through the blockchain platform, we also look at the supply chain, how we can make sure the supply chain can operate in a trustable, reliable way, so they also can save some cost and increase their efficiency in order to achieve a better management and collaboration. All of these is want to do good to real economy. So we would like to bring more values and also need more entities to join. So we also would like to open our platform, and we also release our developing at blockchain partner program. So we talk about the market cooperation, and we have a lot of support in this regard. We would like to have more players coming in to really bring the benefit to all. So toward a collaborative future of blockchain, so we talk about this is the blockchain era. We would like to work with all parties to going forward to use technology to form a transparent future. Thank you.
有请黄刚先生登台发布。
Now please welcome Mr. Huang Gang.
各位嘉宾，下午好！感谢组委会给我这个机会，向大家介绍北京大学和
Good
英特瑞公
afternoon.
司
Thank you very
协
much for
同
giving
创
me
新
this
的成果
opportunity to
烟云大气
introduce
系统
our
信
work.
息技术经过数十年的网络化发展，
烟
形成了数以百万计的信息孤岛，其中蕴藏了
With many years development, so this is the work with the internet where. So we believe that the cloud is needed because the big data require a integration of a multi-source data. So we need to really let the channels all open and make sure we can have the interconnectivity and collaboration with the third platform. So we talk about the upstream, downstream, a big data chain is facing a lot of technological problems. We talk about the white box. So that should be based on the original data source. The source code actually is the things we need to know exactly what it is. So we should develop second time. But all the method for the white box actually have a high cost, high risk, and very complicated. Peking University has worked in this regard for many years, and we found that inside the system, we should think about how we can better utilize the cloud. So we talk about backstage and the front desk, how we can bring these two things together, and what's the cause-effect relations in between. So if we monitor the front desk, that also can open our back desk work, so we can better cooperate with the third party, so that we can see the information flow. So this is a disruptive way to think about the traditional way of white box. If you think that for the subways, so that's the traditional way. Basically, we need to dig inside, so underground. So the new way we're doing, actually, we use the digging machine, so we're not really totally broke down the whole road. So talk about the Yan Cloud DAS. It's successfully developed by Peking University, and this is our platform. So this is the API product, API runtime, and API management. So the covered end-to-end process. This is the only one of its kind that's the black box that support a third-party application. So Ali Cloud, with us, we actually list more than 10 solutions. So work and provide to the different ministries. And Zhejiang, Shandong, Guizhou, and other provinces. E-government. And also talk about the smart city, Beijing, Guiyang, Shanghai, Shenzhen. They all use this. Talk about industrial big data. Yan Cloud also used for energy, food. This is so widely application, which reflects that the Yan Cloud actually solve the big data bottleneck, and believe this is a key technology or the core one to further develop the big data. We had a committee believe that this result actually has a high technology behind. We need to think about the hard where, and this is a disruptive technology, so the platform actually can lead in the world. We believe with the cooperation with Peking University and Interware, we can utilize our resources from the academia, industry, market. We can launch more high-value, quality service, so we can create a better world and make our contribution. Thank you.
Now please welcome Mr. Alex Yong.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished government leaders, I'm Alex Yong from Amazon Web Services. I'm honored to be here to present to you one of our latest development in helping developers and data scientists to efficiently do their AI and machine learning modeling. So as you know, Amazon has been applying and investing in the AI and machine learning technology for the last 20 years. We have been applying to Echo, recommendation engine, all this stuff. So we have accumulated so many ideas and experience. Now 3 years ago, we launched a full stack AI capabilities on our AWS cloud platform. But as you can see on the screen, it's still very complicated. We hear a lot of feedback from customers, from programmers, from developers, and from data scientists. Yes, cloud can enable them to do faster. The machine can learn faster, but it's still too complicated, taking too much time and too much effort, and slow down their innovations. So as a result, we believe that we wanted to help the developers and data scientists to quickly find a way to collect data and train their machine models. So we look at the data in the machine learning into 3 tiers: the data, the learning, and also the AI as a services. So we focus on the middle tiers. So we wanted to eliminate as much programming effort as possible so that programmers and data scientists can easily collect all the data and easily do the training and quickly deploy to different parts of the cloud around the world. So what exactly Amazon SageMakers has been doing? Basically, we help it's a fully managed platform with a modular architecture which enables data scientists and developers to rapidly build, train, and deploy machine learning models in a high-performance machine learning algorithm-based framework support and one-click training, tuning, and inference. We announced that in 2017, and today I'm actually very happy to announce to the China developers and data scientists that we are going to launch the SageMaker in China in the early 2019. We hopefully, with this particular tools, we can enable junior developer, even like people from high school, be able to start playing around with machine learning and data and all this data modeling. So we believe that by empowering the developers, it will be able to help, generate a whole lot more innovations. So let's look at some of the capabilities. In the building stage, we provide fully managed instances running on different notebooks. We also support many different learning frameworks, such as MXNet, TensorFlow, and any other learning model that that you have developed for yourself. We put it into this building stage. We will manage that for you. the managed model can be able to tap into petabytes of data so that the machine can quickly learn and try out the most accurate model. In the training stage, you are ready to train in the Amazon SageMaker, simply specifying where the data are. It can be in a data warehouse, it can be in a data lake, it can be in one of our Amazon S3 data. So it's just simply by clicking the system on the screen, you don't need to do any programming. You can run multiple algorithms on the screen, no need to do any programming. So it will create different results, and the data scientists can compare the data and select the best model. Last but not least is to help quickly deploy around the world. So this particular SageMaker, we have been using it by thousands of developers. We believe that by the time we launch it early next year in China, there will be a whole lot more customer and developer and data scientists be able to use it and try many new innovations in the market. Thank you.
感谢以上5位发布人，让我们领略了微信小程序商业模式创新的风采。
Thank you for your speeches.
了解了先进的人工智能芯片的技术，体会到金融领域区块链平台的应用，感受到破解形式孤岛、唤醒数据价值的数据系统，看到了。 可以帮助开发者和数据科学家快速、轻松地对大数据建模、训练和部署的机器学习模型的托管平台。以上这些领先科技创新的成果，不仅仅是一大批创新点子的集合，它们实实在在的。 已经，并且将要继续改变我们的生产和生活方式。接下来还会有哪一些领先科技成果将要发布呢？让我们继续分享。
And today we will have more. Let's welcome the next guest.
Now let's welcome Mr. Zhou Hongyi.
特别感谢大会给我们这个荣誉来讲我们的这个安全大脑，也感谢各位评委对我们的肯定。现在互联网这一年的发展，随着人工智能。
World Internet Conference, and thank you for recognition for our product. With the development of big data, AI, and cloud computing, we do see a lot of changes in our lives. However, cybersecurity is the issue for us, and we see more challenges for cybersecurity. Now we are entering into an age of interconnectivity, and the cyber attack has become a major challenge for us. Sometimes it will pose threats to the national security, infrastructure security, personal security, financial security, etc. So for the cybersecurity has become a bigger issue for us. And some of the methods have lost their power, and we are facing greater challenges for us. For example, we have to think about how to make sure that the government is organized in a secure way. And there are some loopholes in the softwares that we will be seeing. Also, we are in the age of IoT. We are not just facing like 500 million computers. We're actually facing with the AI device and the AI equipment. So it is very sad to say that at this point, there is no a perfect network or the perfect cyberspace. All of this cyberspace may face the possibility of being attacked. If we do see some of the hackers, we may have some problems for the cybersecurity. So we do need a forecasting and early warning system to help us protect the cyberspace. In the past, we have the antivirus wall and the firewalls. However, all of these technologies may be outdated. And today I would like to release a new technology which to help to protect our security network and the cyberspace. In the age of security, our company, 360, by analyzing massive amount of data, we have built a brain of security that have the core capability of sensing, reasoning, learning, prediction, and decision-making. This will provide a safer environment for us. That is to say, in the future, if we are facing some challenges in the national security, so we will provide our products to give out guidance on how to protect ourselves from attack. Currently, the brain of security can conduct automatic defense and forecasting and early warning in order to protect the cyberspace. In the past few years, we have worked with National Security Department to identify criminal attacks from other countries. And we also provide early warning for the botnet issues that was happening in the past few years. And for the brain security, in the future, we'll also apply in multiple sectors, for example, automobiles and also financial sectors. Currently, many vehicle manufacturers and the banking sectors are also using our technology to protect the network environment. By using the big data and the AI and supercomputing, we can better protect these sectors from attack. So for the brain of security, it is not mature enough, but in the future, we will continue to improve and optimize the brain of security. We believe in the next 5 years, this will be the new trend. And today, it is a new start for brain of security. Thank you. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm so glad to attend the World Internet Conference today. Thank you for your recognition for JD. As an entrepreneur, I want to share some of my experience in our endeavor in Smart Supply Chain Service Platform. There are many challenges posed for the supply chain management. If we continue to use the traditional ERP and SEM system, it is very difficult for us to resolve a variety of problems that has been arising today. The Smart Supply Chain Service Platform is developed by JD, and it is an optimized supply chain management system. it has surpassed the barrier that has been posed for the inventory management system, and we are turning our supply chain service platform a smart and intelligent one. We are using the vertical knowledge that we've gathered from different industries. So for the service platform, we have integrated a variety of functions, including the forecasting of the inventory, the product selection, and the commodity sales prediction, and we have applied all of this in different sectors of services. For the prediction area, we are using the big data and AI in order to better identify the order occupancy for the inventory. In this way, we can better monitor our financial status as well as the replenishment status of our products. So for our service platform, we have achieved a 93% of accuracy in predicting number of orders on November the 11th of last year. Within JD's framework, as of the end of May of 2018, we have optimized the product assortment and also helped to optimize the inventory management. We also achieved 85% of the product fulfillment. And this platform can also provide a more smart pricing strategy for the products. With effective management, we have reduced the inventory turnover days by 1.6 days. And the service platform also provides favorable strategies to manage the aging inventory. For our supply chain service platform, it not only serves our own, it also serves our cooperating vendors. For example, the lead time can be reduced by 50%. We have also worked with Walmart. We have made a successful demonstration for the customer conversion. Therefore, we see 8 times of growing for the consumption orders. With a series of cooperation, we have worked with many companies in the industry in order to build a new ecosystem for retail market. In this way, customers can buy anywhere, anytime. Our objective is to provide premium products and customer service. We are expecting the new era will come for the consumption market. Thank you.
欢迎张亚勤先生登台发布。
Please welcome Mr. 张亚勤。
尊敬的各位领导、女士们、先生们，大家下午好。
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to take the opportunity to thank the organizations and also the expert committees to acknowledge our work of Baidu. And this is our 3rd year in a row to be the award winner. And I'm also feel honored to represent Baidu to be here the 3rd time. 1886 to engineers from Germany developed the first car, and till now, we are seeing a new change to the automotive industries and driverless. Actually, the key topic. Apollo is the key participant in this whole wave. We talk about this should integrate AI, big data, cloud computing, all these cutting-edge technologies, and also involve the government, suppliers, car makers. This is a huge ecosystem involved. So when we first mentioned about this mode, Apollo actually developed so fast, and we also see the patent and also achievements are growing. And I believe Apollo platform will play a leading role in the whole wave. Talking about our journey of exploration and development, there are two things I would like to mention. One is our efficiency in development, and second is our product and application of a product is so fast. In the past year, our Apollo platform also had to upgrade our technologies, so our navigation system and also the algorithm actually also improved. We also have 500 patents, and every day we have a new patent born. And ahead of the curve, we also implement our technology. We launched the first our feet services, and also have other services implemented in different areas. And we also have worked with our partners to support each other and open source to each other. And we believe our circle of friends is expanding. Daimler, Ford, Volvo, Intel, Microsoft. We talk about all these upstream and downstream in the whole industrial chain, value chain, all enjoy the Apollo ecosystem. Talk about self-driving system. Actually, this is the integration of car and communication. This also should give the credit to Baidu's efforts. So we open our source and also to help a further implementation and improvement of our technology and the platform. And we hope Apollo platform can see more changes, and Apollo can be a connector. We connect transportation and technology together. We also an accelerator. We accelerate the whole progress. And we're also the pioneer. We start from 0 and achieve 1. In the future, I believe with the support of Apollo platform, we will see the whole bigger environment will be happened and emerge that will far beyond our imagination. We all believe for any new things, should think about the safety to the people. This is also a top on our priority. Talk about 2018 Apollo Nuke holding. 50% actually regard the safety issues. 100 years ago, we had a car and then we had road, and we had the traffic rules. Talk about right now the era of self-driving. We will follow the same logic. We'll have a closer interconnectivity between car and transportation, car and road, and we'll have a more implementation in different cars. We'll have more than hundreds of thousands cars driving on thousands roads, and we'll have a different kinds of the application, and we'll totally change the whole city. We'll also change the relation between car, people, and city. Represented by AI, the cutting-edge technology to reshape our world, and also bring the new technology to the cities and autonomous driving, connect roads. This is efficient city. This is our new concept, and we hope we can have a new exploration in the future. The trustable self-drivers can bring the benefit to each one of us. This is also the willingness of Baidu, and we hope we can create a safe and efficient world. Thank you.
雄昂先生登台发布。
Now please welcome Mr. Alan Wu.
Distinguished guests, good afternoon. I'm Wuzhen from ARM China. With our partners on the platform of mobile phones, we already bring AI to each one of us. Looking future, we'll more than trillions of this kind of smart applications or smart devices. In each different things, all the objects cannot be connected and make decisions by themselves. In order to achieve this vision, we should lower the application and the development of AI. Today, we look at all the AI-based or AI-related applications actually based on certain thing or the vertical integrations. It's so time consuming and also with a huge capital number. So we need to have something new that can integrate hardware, software together, and also a platform. Thank you for acknowledging our efforts. ARM China, and this is the first time for us to launch our new generation of AI platform, Zhou-E. Zhou-E AI platform is mainly developed by ARM China, and including the software framework and the AIPU. It supports all the mainstream chips and chips framework. It can bring the AI developing cycles shorter than 3 to 5 times, and also bring larger effects. The Zhou-E platform brings 3 innovations to the industry. Number 1, I'll talk about the applicability and the compatibility and the security. Through Zhou-E platform, the chips makers, and based on the existing platform and at AI algorithm. And more important, the existing chips through our platform can activate their new capability in algorithm. Talk about the existing devices. They will have a new life born. So we would like to achieve, with a small investment capital, we can achieve a trillion value. Second, our platform can compatible to different framework. It defined from the bottom level chips to the higher level of solutions. To let one developer to bring its application and fastly apply to different chips and devices. This much lower the cost of development for AI. Zhou-E platform, and not just lower the cost for hardware, it's same for software, and also they provide integration, or we talk about all-in-one safety solutions. Last year, we launched our platform in terms of safety. Through this platform, or talk about framework, actually, this way laid a solid foundation in technology. Zhou-E platform, based on this logic, from the algorithm to the operation, we provide end-to-end safety. In the next 20 years, we can see all these numbers. We hope that's basically the tech revolution, and it will totally change our world and make sure our life becoming better. And also, we will work in higher efficiency. Launching Zhou-E platform, ARM China would like to accelerate the deployment of our technology and also lower the cost to achieve 1 trillion connected intelligent devices and let the world use something created, innovated by China. Thank you.
朱晓彤先生登台发布。
Let's welcome Mr. Chang.
Distinguished guests, good afternoon. Thank you for inviting me for the World Internet Conference, and thank you for recognition for giving award to Tesla. And today I'm very honored to present you the service for after-sales platform that was powered by Tesla. So we are dedicated in transforming the sustainability of our energy, and we also put great emphasis in the customer service. We continue our efforts in innovation, and we would like to provide a better after-sales service to the automobile industry. We believe an innovative after-sales platform will help to change the new energy in the world. So Tesla is a smart vehicle. So the after-sales platform is customer-centered. We will use virtual platform and connecting the online and offline services. This will help to reduce the time cost for maintaining the vehicle. Let's get some information about the virtual service center. This is built on the cloud. So this can help our drivers to gain more services and support from the online and offline platforms. And we also have thousands of engineers that deploy around the world. It will help to diagnose the issues that have been coming out from the automobile. This can help to improve the efficiency of the diagnosis of our issues of the car. According to the demand of our customers, we may select a different types of a solution to repair the vehicle. All of the information in relates to the repairing will be uploaded to a bank. So we also have a physical platform that can help to repair the Tesla vehicles. On one hand, we have ensured the effectiveness in repairing the car, and also we have a OTA smart application which can help to update the software for the vehicle, can also help to identify the problems for the vehicle. OTA is widely used. It is the core technology that we have been used from Tesla. OTA can also provide a driverless experience for the drivers. It will also help to improve the life expectancy and the usage cycle for Tesla. By now, we have upgraded many times for OTA application. And last month, we have just launched the version 9 of OTA. Let's get more information about version 9. So you can see the interface is more customer-based, user-friendly, and also you can use the built-in camera to make some recordings. And also you can heat up the chairs when you're witnessing some cold weathers. It can also help to provide the safety for driving. In addition, Tesla is continue our efforts to localize our software. Currently, in the area of AI and cloud computing, Tesla has continued our efforts to maintain the vehicles we believe in the future, we will see a more intelligent after-sales platform. Let's take a look.
谢谢大家。
Thank you.
感谢以上5位发布人的对成果的介绍。我们可以从这里看到。
Thank you for your introduction about your products. We can see AI is widely applied in different industries. For example, we just talked about the brain of security that was powered by 360. And also we have a service platform to provide a better management for the supply chain. And also we see an innovative driving platform from Apollo. And also we see an innovative algorithm service platform to serve the age of IoT. And also, we see a smart after-sales platform which provides seamless service to the customers. All of these are wisdoms from the scientists and developers. Hopefully, all of these technologies can be applied successfully in the future and improve the livelihood for Chinese people. Let's look forward to other products.
Please welcome Mr. Simon Wu.
感谢大会组委会和各位评委的支持，给予阿里云和阿里云的。
Thank you for inviting me and thank you for your support to Ali Cloud and partners from Ali Cloud. And thank you for your recognition. Now the world has entered into a rapid development of digital economy. And we have also entered into an age of industrial internet. Ali Cloud would like to make use of IoT, cloud computing, and algorithm to promote the transformation so that we can optimize the quality of the products and reduce the energy consumption. On the screen, you can see some of the cases. We would like to reconstruct the manufacturing industry and improve the quality and efficiency. We would like to help the reconstruction for larger size enterprises and to improve the vitality of the SMEs. With the leadership of Ali Cloud, we have built up the SOUP ET industrial platform. We want to build a platform that is open, inclusive, and mutually beneficial. This will be conducive for the development of the industry of manufacturing. This can also promote the digitalization. This can help to integrate the real economy with the information technology. With the leading role of Ali Cloud, and together with Zhejiang Experimental Hall, we have developed this industry platform. Currently, we have over 200 partners engaged in this project. So these partners are coming from different sectors of the society. We would like to provide a series of services, including the data collection, the data development, the algorithm development, software development, and other solutions. Hopefully, with this platform, we can improve the efficiency for the manufacturing industry. SOUP-ET has 3 PaaS platforms. The first is the PaaS for industrial IoT. We have provided a comprehensive management of the cloud and provide scientific service for these industries. And we also want to offer intelligence PaaS. By using AI, we can better analyze the industrial data. We have served over 10 industries, including steel, iron, chemicals, etc. The ultimate purpose is to provide a self-run industrial internet platform. We have 3 innovations for SOUP platform. The first one, we have developed an open ecosystem. We have lowered the threshold for ecosystem. And we are also inviting some solution vendors to be engaged in our SOUP-ET project. Second, we will provide AI analysis to improve the quality and lower the cost and create value. Third, we would like to promote the industrial internet and to work with different sectors in the industry. We will want to build a new relations between the consumption market and the manufacturing market. We will want to build a better platform for service through SOUP-ET. And also, we want to lower the threshold for the industrial sector to use the AI technology. Thank you again for inviting.
虎先生登台发布。
Now let's welcome Mr. Frank Mo.
尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾，大家下午好。今年是美国高通公司连续
Distinguished guests, good afternoon. This is the 3rd year that Qualcomm has been releasing our science-tech achievements in Wuzhen. Thank you for your recognition, and today I'm very honored to represent Qualcomm to attend this release ceremony. In the future, we're entering into the age of 5G. 5G will provide a unified and integrated platform and provide impetus for innovations and inventions. The day is coming, and 5G will affect different industries. 5G will also equip with new models of manufacturing and industry development. This will also make remarkable contribution to the global economy. It is estimated that by 2030, the value that will be created by 5G technology will achieve $3.5 trillion. For the 5G products that was developed by Qualcomm has been released in Wuzhen for 3 consecutive days. In 2017, we have launched a 5G lab, and we also launched a data connection system in 2017. And this year, we have launched the fully integrated 5G NR millimeter waves and 6 GHz RF module. I would like to have a brief introduction about the 5G NR and the 6 GHz RF module. As we need higher frequency spectrum for 5G NR millimeter wave, there are many rooms for development in the range of the millimeter wave. For the millimeter wave, we have enough bandwidth, which may help to improve the speed of the transmission. However, the disadvantages is that the signal is not strong, which may have some disruption of the signal. This is why people are thinking that the millimeter waves are not the best option for using in the 5G technology. However, we have developed the RF module, which makes these things possible. We have improved the frequency spectrum for the millimeter wave by installing modulator as well as the antenna into the 5G NR mmW. However, one mobile phone can be only equipped with 4 types of the RF module. We continue to reduce the size of the RF module. Even though it is a small size RF module, but it can play a bigger role in the mobile phone. For the RF module, it can help largely improve the stability of the data transmission. And by then, we can experience the fast speed that was transmitted with this new technology.
This is a key milestone for Qualcomm, and we also provide solutions that never can think about it before. And we have active participation with all the suppliers, and we have a wide range of cooperation regarding 5G. The journey of 5G is all the different challenges, a bumpy way. But we have our decisiveness and willingness to forge ahead and also have a wider cooperation with all the players in the industry to widen our way and find all the solutions to create a future that connects everything. Thank you.
欢迎魏少军先生登台发布。
Please welcome Mr. 魏少军。
各位领导、各位来宾，很高兴代表清华大学向大家汇报。
The leaders, guests, it's my great honor to represent the Tsinghua University to introduce our hardware security, dynamic monitoring, and control technology. Talk about the AI or cloud computing or other technologies, they all change rapidly and 100% change our life. When we enjoy the convenience brought by all these technologies, but at the same time, actually, we also leak our personal information to the cloud or to the internet. How to protect information safety is a systematic issue. We had many years of history regarding the software safety, but for the hardware, especially the CPU and the chips, we just started our journey recent years. At the beginning of this year, we talk about a loophole happened that let us aware that a CPU is so vulnerable. But more important, all these hardware loophole may be just a top of the iceberg. To talk about the CPU, actually, that's a huge integration. But you look at the structure, and actually that involved the more than 100 companies around the world to join. No matter it's the hardware or backdoor or the loophole in the system, that all bring the potential risk to CPU safety. If we cannot guarantee a safe environment for CPU, then we talk about the system and the software built on the hardware is even vulnerable, and we don't need to mention about the safety to the whole system. 12 years ago, when I chaired meeting regarding the hardware safety, we already pay attention to the issues and started from 2015, based on the dynamic and flexible structures, we work on this reconfigurable computing processor. This actually, the main character for this is we do a monitoring that's in the real time or dynamic. So we look at whether it is the same as we predict or different. No matter it's for a software or it utilize or backdoor, all these can be found in the early time and also controlled. CPU dynamic safety control and management already into the industrial application. The first commercial one already launched called Jintide. So Jintide server CPU, that's the first of its kind. Jintide can compatible with the existing x86 system, and 90% of the commercial servers actually guaranteed. So we provide a secure, controllable, trustworthy system solutions, and we have a lot of suppliers actually use our solutions and develop their x86 servers. At the same time, we also with our partners. So regarding our technology on CPU, we work towards a high safety ecosystem. We all believe a CPU dynamic safety monitoring and control system, Jintide and other products will further help the technology, energy, telecommunication, internet, and other infrastructures to bring more safety to the whole sectors. So when we enjoy the results and the convenience brought by the internet, and we also in a trust and safe world. Thank you.
Now let's welcome Mr. Harry Shen.
感谢世界互联网大会，微软公司十分荣幸。
Thank you very much. Thank you, WIC, and Azure Fear win the world. Today, we believe the world is already changed as a one computer. Think about the algorithm in different areas and also the processors. Analysts processors actually create a different experience to us. What a remarkable world. Petabyte data actually is more than our imagination, no matter at home or on the road or at your working space, no matter at the rural area or urban areas, to the hospitals or to the different sectors, because of the AI, big data, and the cloud all enter our world. Microsoft believes that all these applications actually should restored in a environment from the edge to the cloud, and this will also bring a new opportunity and a new era. Think about this. You will receive a text saying like, hello, your compressor of your fridge actually is going to break down. So our Azure sphere is this kind of things. So from a small appliance at home to the big appliance at work, these all can be connected and more intelligent. So not only the fridge at your home, it's the fridge around every family. We have a low-cost single-chip processor. But like computer or your smartphone, it also has the function of a storage or the data input-output functions. It may be not strong in algorithm, but it can store huge data. Every year, the whole world produce and deploy 9 billion processor. Look at this. We talk about the microcontroller. So everything should be becoming connected and intelligent, like the computer, like your fridge. So makes everything possible. We talk about 9 billion microcontrollers and actually installed in the home appliance, different kind of the appliance we use daily. But less than 1% of them actually interconnected. What's the reason behind? In order to make sure IoT is safe and connected is so difficult. No one single company wish to produce one thing that's so vulnerable. Let's say I have a friend, always set moment. So it's actually lower his weight. But someone saying that actually you're lying. Either way, you'd pay me or I will say something true to your friend. So for the Azure Sphere, it's an end-to-end solution for creating high-quality solution. So with the three parties working together, we make sure our compliance at edge is still safe. So we have a chip. So that's the certificate MCU that can make sure it has high function in processing and also make sure have a good connectivity with the internet. We also have a very safe operating system. It's a multi-layers IoT. So with Windows innovations plus Linux, so this is a really extraordinary experience. And we also have a one-stop cloud service. So with your appliance and the cloud service, we'll make sure we have the ID certification, make sure everything is so safe, and also find a potential risk in the system and make sure all the software will be updated when and if necessary. So we have a whole this atmosphere. So Azure Sphere. So it's power everyone, every person, every organization on the planet to achieve more. So this is something new. This is also a new environment, and we're so proud we can bring this to China and also to the whole world to really let each of us be greater tomorrow. Thank you.
欢迎雷军先生登台发布。
Now let's welcome Mr. 雷军。
大家下午好，感谢大会组委会给
Good afternoon to all. Thank you, WIC and the committee, to give Xiaomi this opportunity to introduce our results. What I would like to talk about today is the AI open platform to smart home appliance. So this platform is aimed to fulfill the needs for home appliance, and we deeply integrate AI and IoT in order to provide our consumers and our suppliers a creative ecosystem. So we have our platform with the AI hardware to form a IoT. This is a new ecosystem. Put in a plain language. So we want to use AI to connect all your home appliances all together. So 10 or 20 years ago, someone actually mentioned the same idea, but they don't have a very smooth development. But recently, based on the advantage of AI and the other cutting-edge technology, we talk about the TV side or your alarm clock. You can use your voice assistant or AI voice box to connect all of them together and control them. So this is something so convenient, and bring this to our people to let them think that this is a beautiful life. So what we achieved in the past years? In the past 5 years, Xiaomi invested and cultivate more than 1,000 hardware companies, and we connect 115 million devices around the world. And so Xiaomi has created the industrial leading AI open platform, and our voice assistant actually already launched for more than 1 year, and we have different clients. And at the beginning, we don't want to define ourselves as hardware company, and today we look at the innovation in the business mode operation.
We have promote our AI industries in different sectors of society. In the past 2 and 3 years, we have made huge investments in AI. We have a team with over 1,000 engineers. So in the area of voice, video recognition, big data, and cloud computing, as well as AI cameras, we are leading the industry. For mobile applications, we have AI cameras that has been built in Xiaomi mobile phones. And also we have different models of information exchange to provide better services and better experience for using the Xiaomi appliances. For example, our Xiaomi platform has been connected with different devices that was developed by Xiaomi. For example, the robot cleaners and mobile phones, air filters, etc. In the future, we would like to work with different sectors of the industry so that we can bring in Xiaomi AI technology to all people in China. So we are using a 1+2 model to promote the better experience so as to build a user-friendly ecosystem. This ecosystem will serve a smart life for people. Xiaomi will also provide AI services for software as well as hardware companies in China. Many solutions are developed from Xiaomi. This will also help to improve the overall level for artificial intelligence. By using the AI platform that was developed by Xiaomi, software and hardware companies can continue to move ahead with their research and development of their own products. We would like to provide a better service to the Chinese people as well as people around the world. We have entered into 8 countries. Hopefully, technology provided by Xiaomi can benefit people around the world. Thank you.
感谢以上5个成果的单位对这个成果的介绍。
Thank you again for your introduction,
通过
for
数据
your
采集
scientific
进行优
achievements.
化为客户提供账本增效的
We can see a lot of achievements has been done through data collection, cloud computing, and we witnessed the magnificent SUB-ET industrial platform.
毫米波以及6
And
G 赫兹
also,
以下
we
的
see
射频
the
模
new
组。
fully integrated 5G NR technology and 6G
安
RF
全的动
modules.
态监管技术。我们还看到了基
We
于
also
微控
see
制器
the
的
latest
互
development
联
for the
网
hardware
安全解
security,
决方案
dynamics monitoring, and control
最
technology.
后是小米
And
面
also,
上智能家居的人工
we
智
see
能的
the
开放平
Asus
台。
Sphere that was based on IoT solutions at last. We are impressed by the AI platform that was developed by Xiaomi. All of these achievements will
让我
bring
们
convenience
感
to
谢以
our
上的
daily
单位
life.
的发布成果，把热烈的掌声献给成果的发布单位
Let's
和
give
他们的代
our
表。
big applause to all of these people who are dedicated in developing these scientific
正
achievements.
在经历着更大范围、更深层次的科技革命和产业变革。
The world
互联网、大数据、
is
人工
experiencing
智能等
a
现
scientific
代
and
新式技术
technological
不
revolution.
断取得突破。
Internet,
数字经济
AI,
蓬
big
勃发展。
data, these
互联
are the
网
keywords of
将
the
会
world,
处于
and
一
we
个
keep forging
很好
ahead
最好的
with
发展
progress.
时期，会渗透到未来的生活的方方面面。
And the internet
网络空间
development
命运的
is
共同
entering
体
into a
会
new
更加
stage
紧密
and a
和
crucial
更加互
stage.
惠。
And in the future,
今天我
the
们在这
internet
里
will
举
be
办
deep down
第
in
3
every
届世界
corner
互联
of the
网领先科技
society,
成果的发布
and
活
we
动，
will build
让
a
互联网的创新能量不断向外辐射，扩大影
new
响。在世界的
platform
舞
and
台上发
ecosystem
热
for
发
the
光。
cyberspace.
希望通过这次发布活动，
Today, we are
激
hosting
发更
the
多的创新的
WIC.
火花，汇集更多的行业领先成果，
The
创造
purpose
更
is
加
to
美
create
好
a
的未
digital
来。
world of mutual trust and
下面
collective governance
我们再次邀
towards
请
a community
第
with
5
a
届
shared
世界
future
互联
in
网大会
cyberspace.
世界互联网领先科技成果发布活动的15位发布人上台，他们是
Next, I would like
华为
to
技术有限公司企业
invite
编辑
these
总裁、
15
华为董事严
companies
立大先
to
生、
come to stage.
马一金副董事长兼首席执行官景贤仲
So,
先生，北京大
let's
学
welcome
教
them.
授操作系统研究中心主任黄刚教授，亚马逊 AWS 全球副总裁、大中华区执行董事荣永康先生，
We have
360集团董
representative
事长
from
兼
Huawei
CEO 周鸿祎先
and
生。
financial
京东
service,
集
the
团副总裁、
360,
京端集团、
Amazon,
京东集团大数据与智能供应链
JD,
事业部总裁
Xiaomi,
裴健
Apollo,
先生，
Arm
百
China,
度总裁
Tesla,
张亚勤先生，
and
腾讯
Baidu.
公司董事会主席兼首席执行官马化腾先生，安谋科技中国有限公司执行董事长兼 CEO 吴崇昂先生，特斯拉公司副总裁及亚太区总裁朱晓彤先生，阿里巴巴集团合伙人阿里云总裁胡晓明先生，美国高通公司中国区董事长孟普先生，清华大学微电子所研究所所长魏少军教授，微软全球执行副总裁沈向阳先生，小米集团创始人、董事长兼首席执行官雷军先生。同时，我们隆重地邀请国家互联网信息办公室主任张荣文先生、浙江省省长袁家军先
I
生。
will also want to invite Director for the China Association for Science and Technology
国家互联网信息办公室副主任杨
and
小伟先
members
生，
from
国家
CPPCC
互联
and
网信息办公室副主
Information
任
Office from
刘烈
Huajia,
宏先生，工业和信息化部
Vice
副部长
Director from
陈
Information
兆雄
Office
先
from
生，
Huajia,
浙江省常务副省长冯飞先生，浙
and
江
the
省省委常委
representative from
专
Ministry
传
of
部长
Information and
朱国
Technology,
贤先生，浙
to present the awards.
世界知识产权组织总干事弗朗西斯高瑞先生，世界互联网领先科技成果推荐委员会外方主任 Peter 迪飞先生，请各位嘉宾一起上台，包括我本人，会共同为上述发布成果
Please come on stage and present the award for the companies who are releasing the scientific and technological achievements today.让我们共同见证这个激动人心的时刻，分享世界互联网创新的辉煌。有请我们的摄影师锁定这精彩的瞬间， Let's share the glory
记录这难得的时刻
of the scientific achievements.
画面永远定格。
We would like to capture this moment.
好，请各位嘉宾，包括我们的获奖的这单位回座。谢谢，再次感谢各位嘉宾和我们一起共同分享了发布活动的现况和互联
Thank you
网
again
创
for
新
your
成果的繁荣。
participation in WIC
我们希望有更多
and
的
participation of the release ceremony for world-leading internet scientific and technological achievements. Next year, hopefully, we have more achievements to be released in the World Internet Conference.
这些成果
Hopefully, all of these achievements will make foundations to build a community with a shared future in cyberspace.
为创造互信共治的互联网世界而不懈努力。发布活动到此结束，欢迎大
Let's
家参
work
加
towards
明
a
天上午的
digital world for mutual
预见
trust
未
and
来
collective
互联网
governance.
未来的活动。
That is the end
再见，
of the
谢谢。
release ceremony. See you next time. Thank you.